Hey guys, Gary here, and today we're going to be playing TNT Run. So basically what TNT Run is, there's a whole bunch of levels of platforms, and there's like sand and gravel, and there's TNT under them, and it just randomly gives away. So you just have to avoid it like how I did not do, because it's lagging like hell right now, so I'm probably like the worst player right here. And I can't even play anymore. I can't do this. What the hell? Dude, I cannot. This just doesn't work when I'm recording. Okay, this is just bullcrap. Like, what the fuck? Like, people who aren't even recording suck more balls than me. I'm actually okay right now. But like, people who aren't lagging or recording, they're like falling. Okay, I should shut up now. Holy crap. I cannot do this with this lag. I suck at this game already. Like, you're gonna lag more, it's gonna make it suck even more. Oh god, I think this is the last layer. Yep, I fall through this, I die. Oh no. Yeah, come on. No! No! Oh my freaking god. How did... Dude, this lag is like, just crazy. The only like lag doesn't even like, it's not really affecting you when I'm playing hide and seek and splat, but like this lag is just like crap. I can't do this anymore. I just can't. Wait, what? There's still someone on top later? Layer. No, they're on the top. They're here. Let's go spectate. Oh, there's only 2 more left. Oh, he fell. I think. You know? Wait. Maybe not spectating. Oh, they're both here. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. They so fine. Haha, you fell. You sucker. Hacker. You dare call me a hacker. Alright, well, anyway, thanks for watching. And that was horrible. I'm gonna cry now. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to try to reduce the lag by turning off some stuff, because I have like tons of browsers open right now, so I'll try to reduce the lag and come back with more episodes. So yeah, thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe, and yeah, see you guys later. Bye.